Hello, this is SMS and this is question number 2 of June 2024 paper 2R, and this question is from the chapter Binomial Expansion. So for part A, they have access to expand 2 by root over 1 plus 3x in ascending powers of x up to and including the term in x cubed. Express each coefficient as a fraction in its simplest terms where appropriate. So for part A, they have given us an expression which is 2 by root over of 1 plus 3x. This is a square root, so this can also be written as 1 plus 3x to the power half. Now, in order to expand this expression that they have given us, it's better for us to actually take the denominator. It's the 1 plus 3x to the power half is getting divided by the 2. So if we multiply it, so this would be 1 plus 3x. But the thing that will happen is the polarity of the power will change. So here this is positive half, and this will become negative half. So to expand something like this, 1 plus 3x to the power negative half, at first we have to see whether it is in the form of a plus bx to the power d. So here 1 plus 3x to the power negative half is actually in the form of a plus bx to the power d. So when something where a is equals to 1, b is equals to 3, and d is equals to negative half, and when something is in the form of a plus bx to the power d, it can be expanded. The expansion would look something like this. At first, the first term would be just 1 multiplied by d multiplied by bx plus d multiplied by d minus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by bx whole square plus d multiplied by d minus 1 multiplied by d minus 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by bx whole cube. You have access to expand till x to the power 3, so this would be fine. Now, there is also 2 in front of the 1 plus 3x to the power negative half, so don't forget to write that. So 1 plus 3x to the power negative half. At first I will write the 2 and then bracket. The first term will always be 1. Plus d here is a negative half, so we will write negative half multiplied by 3x. b is 3, so 3x. Plus d is again negative half multiplied by negative half minus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by bx. So b is 3x whole square plus again this would be negative half multiplied by negative half minus 1 multiplied by negative half minus 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, which is 6 multiplied by 3x whole cube. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 1 plus 3x to the power negative half would be 2 bracket 1 plus negative half multiplied by 3 is negative 3 by 2x plus, if you put all this in the calculator, so which is negative half multiplied by negative half and negative 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 3x whole square would be giving us 27 by 8x square, and this would be negative half multiplied by negative half minus 1 multiplied by negative half minus 2 divided by 6 multiplied by 3x whole cube would be, we'll get negative 185 divided by 16 x to the power 3. So here we have 2 plus 3x multiplied by half, and this would be, if I multiply 2, it would be 2 minus 3x plus 27 by 4x squared minus 185 by 8x cubed. Okay, so this is 135, not 85, my mistake. This is 135. So it's 135 x cubed. So this is the answer for part A of this question. Now for part B, they have asked us to state the range of values of x for which the expansion is valid. So to find the range of values of x for a given expression, so the expression, for example, if the expression is in the form of a plus bx to the power d, the range would be x, and you give okay, so let's start with this. So this would be negative a by b less than x less than a by b. Okay, so x is actually greater than negative a by b, but less than a by b, but it would be in that range of negative a by b and positive a by b. And if the expression is given in terms of x squared, so then this would be negative root over of a by b is less than x less than root over of a by b. So now if we look at our expression, this is given in terms of here 1 plus 3x to the power negative half. So for this expression we will be using this. So this would be 1 plus 3x to the power negative half, and we don't need to add the 2 because there is just a constant here. So then this would be the range here, a is 1, b is 3, so negative a, so 1 by 3, negative 1 by 3 is less than x less than 1 by 3. Okay, so this is the answer for the second part of this question. I hope you guys understood this. If you have any queries, leave down in the comments. Thank you.